nơi nào khi trong thành chạy lời nâng bên nào khi trong hiện thay thờ gọt để sao ta nào khi xu nhom là hô thanh chạy nhom hiện thay nè là biểu ôi nhom dậy thay rồi trong nào khi ở lời nào cả là oi khang ai nào khi cái việc bên scholarship xem này tại khi sai sắp hết rồi xem này nào khi trong hiện sang thay nơi ai trong ở cả là oi nào khi mà trôi hiện tại khi màu
Wow. I love the ending. I love the ending. I love this ending. Yeah. I think for me, all journeys are not smooth. And I think same goes with you. So what challenges did you face before actually getting where you are now? What kind of problems did you have?
Yes, can say that I've been through a lot until I come to this day. So I will start the first one with my family.
Okay.
Yes, so the first time that I told my parents that, oh, I really love to dance, I want to dance. I can say that they are a supportive parent, but they just like afraid that some people will talk behind my back or talk like some bad word to me or something like that. They're just afraid because they want to protect me. Yeah, so they just, oh, in case that you want, okay, you can, but please don't do it too much, like or something like that. And then when I hear that, I just think that, why, like, why don't I? Yes.
Are you good in acting, Panha?
Maybe not.
We can try. Okay, I will be your parents. Is it mom you're talking to that time when
Yes,
they?
mom,
Okay,
my
okay.
mom.
I will be your mom. Okay, so you ready?
Yes.
So we will reenact the moment that you tell your mom about your passion in dancing.
Yes.
Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, camera, take one,
Lights, camera,
action.
So, mom, I want to tell you.
Panha, what? I'm busy. Very busy, huh?
Okay, so
I'm busy washing the dishes.
Okay. So, mom, I have something to tell you.
What is it? Is it important?
Yes.
Cannot wait anymore?
Maybe.
Huh?
No, I want to tell you right now.
No.
So I want to tell you that I really love to dance, and I want to show
Dancing?
it.
What do you
Yes.
mean dancing? I like you to become an attorney, a lawyer. I like you to really study, become businessman.
Oh, mom, I want you to understand more about me because you are my mom. If you're not on my side, so who would be?
I am supportive of you, but I'm only thinking about your future.
I know, but I think that then it's not wrong, right?
Well, it's not wrong.
Yeah, so this is what like my talent is, so why can't I do that?
Okay, but no money in dancing.
We can say that.
Did your mom really tell that? I'm just making my own
Oh,
scene.
okay, so.
Okay, but anyway, so your mom, at first, she is not very supportive about it. But later on, how did you, help them change their minds?
So.
Hi, mom, if you're watching.
Hi, mom. If you're watching this, I'm sorry because I'm just blocked you on TikTok. Sorry.
Sorry.
Oh, we will also show this on Facebook.
Oh yes, of course.
Block again on
because- So the first one when I. So the first time that I start my work,
Okay.
I just posted a video for my client, and then my mom just like, what are you doing with this video?
Okay, yeah.
I'm just like trying to explain her how it come, how it going, and she just doesn't get it. So I'm just, okay, just ignore it, mom, and you won't see it later because, you won't see it later because I block her. And I did it.
Oh my goodness. Okay, but anyway, I think your mom is just like thinking for your future.
Yes.
But as we go along, you just need to communicate more with her.
Yeah.
What is it you're passionate about? And sooner or later, they would really understand. So your parents was your first challenge with this career or with this future that you're going forward with. What other challenges did you face? How about other people?
Yes, other people. I might think that the people around myself, but not just my friend because, like friends support friends since day one.
I know.
Yes, so when I just start to do what I really love, what I really want to, some people just talk that, why did you do that? It's like, it just looked like cringe, and they don't want me to continue what I'm good at. So I'm just like, ignore them, and I was thinking that, oh, I was born this way. I born with this talent, and how like how can I let it go without show of using them and show it to another people
Yeah.
to see that yeah, this is my talent, I can do that, yeah, like that.
Okay, so you just like shake it off, like what
Yes.
Taylor Swift said, right? Shake it off.
Shake it off. Oh yes, I love this song.
Oh, you do. If we have more time, we will dance. Okay, so you're very interesting, and I really, I'm glad that right now you are at this moment, and hopefully you'll meet more success. So I think you're very busy lately. What are you busy about? What projects are you making or doing right now? What gigs do you have?
Yeah, so if you can see that I am also work as a content creator on a social media platform called TikTok.
TikTok.
So yes, I have a lot of
How many
work to do.
followers do you have in TikTok?
Just like around 60K.
Oh, okay.
That's not that much, but
Oh, but you can like promote it now. What's your TikTok account so you can share with our audience so they can follow you?
everyone, if you like love and like me to like want to see me then or more funny content, go to my TikTok.
Okay, what's
Panha
the
oranges.
Yes, okay, thank you so much. We'll also flash it on the screen, okay?
Oh, yes.
So we'll go to one challenge at the end of this show, and okay, so I will be giving you English words or phrases or sentences. All you need to do is to translate it for me, okay?
Oh, okay.
And then maybe teach me a little bit on how to say it properly.
Oh, okay.
Sure. Let's begin?
Yes.
Okay. So the first one is very easy. Hello, everyone.
Oh, hello everyone. It is, I know that you guys heard it a lot. So it means สวัสดีครับทุกคน
Okay.
สวัสดีครับทุกคน Yeah, สวัสดีครับ it means hello. ครับ is a polite word that they just put it at the sentence. ทุกคน me,
For
everyone.
Thai, if you just say sawadi, it's like you're close with one another, so you don't need to be very, very polite.
Yes, and you can use it with your close friend or
close friends.
someone that you close
Okay.
with.
But if it's like a stranger or business, it's good to say sawadi ka.
Yes.
ทุกคน
Yes.
Okay.
If you don't add the cup or car, it means that you rude.
Oh, okay, good. Now let's move on to the next. Excuse me, do you have a map?
Oh, ขอโทษนะครับ คุณมีแผนที่ไหม
Panty, like panty.
Panty, yes. So
Okay.
in some Thai word, they use the English word as well, but just like in a Thai way, So map, panty, it means that map in English. So panty, it sounds like in Khmer word as well. In Khmer we say panty. So Thai, panty. Thai,
Okay.
yes.
So, okay, repeat that for me so I can kind of follow.
ขอ
How do you say?
ขอโทษครับ
Kotu kam
คุณมี
konmi
แผนที่ไหม
panty mai.
Yes, you have to do a sound like it is a question mark. ขอโทษครับคุณมีแผนที่ไหม
Kontu kap konmi panty mai.
Yes, this
okay.
way. This
I think I'm
way.
very good with my Thai now because I'm talking to you. Okay, third part. Let's go to the
Oh.
third part. My chicken is too hot.
Oh, you can say that ไก่ของผมร้อนมากเลย
Okay.
ไก่
Guy.
ไก่
Kai.
ไก่
Kai.
ไก่ก่อ
Call.
Oh, you can't pronounce the ก่อ
Call.
So that's fine. ไก่ของผม
Guy kong pong.
ร้อนมากเลย
Lon mak loy.
Yes, you have to express
cannot-
it this way.
I cannot remember whatever I said. Okay.
Okay, so just make it into a sentence. ไก่ของผมร้อนมากเลย
Guy kong pong long mak. Again.
ไก่ของผมร้อนมากเลย
It's really hard. Okay. So I pass on that round.
Okay.
Let's move on to the next.
Yes.
I'm not a normal person. I'm a unicorn.
That's so funny. Okay, so ผมไม่ใช่คนปกติ
Pom.
ผมไม่ใช่
My chai.
คนปกติ
Kon pokoti.
ผมเป็น
Pon pen.
ผมเป็น
Pom pen.
unicorn.
Unicorn.
Yes, that sounds like English. You in English.
So they don't
unicorn.
have a direct translation of
In Thai we say unicorn.
unicorn.
But like it is like an English word but in a Thai way. So yes, they make it unicorn yeah so ผมไม่ใช่
So that's
คน
why when I heard them sometimes like it's kind of different.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Curious. Okay. Let's have a dance party in the bathroom.
what
This I use like very weird sentences, so it's hard for you to say it. I don't know whether it's hard for you to say it. Let's have a dance party in the bathroom.
อ่า
How do you say it in Thai?
มาเต้นปาร์ตี้อยู่ในห้องน้ำกันเถอะ
Martin party.
yes อยู่ในห้องน้
You nai hong nam
ำกันเถอะ
ganta.
yes มาเต้นปาร์ตี้อยู่ในห้องน้ำกันเถอะ
So what is bathroom in Thai?
ห้องน้
Hong nam.
ำ yes ห้อง is mean room น้ำ it mean water yeah ห้องน้ำ
Okay, so that's how you do the words.
yes
Okay. Cool. Let's have the last one.
okay
I'd like to order a side of happiness with my fries, please.
oh okay ผมขอจะสั่งคางกับความสุขมากับมันฝรั่งของผมด้วยนะครับ
Oh, you're very good. My translation it says the same.
oh is it the same
Yeah, it's exactly the same. Wow, you're really good in Thai. I just put FYI, I just put a lot of like, nonsense ideas or words right here just to check whether you can actually get it.
Yes.
And I think you actually get it. Oh my goodness, you're really good in Thai just for 1 year.
Yes.
Studying in AII, you're this good. But did you learn Thai before?
yes I have
Okay. So AI just like kind of polished it for you, expanded it
Yes,
for you.
yes.
Okay. So if you have any message right there to those students who also would like to try a new language,
oh
and then what would it be?
So recently I got a lot of DM on my IG and also TikTok that everyone messaged me about my Thai language.
Oh, really?
Yes,
Okay.
where did I learn it and how can I learn and
Oh,
like
please say AI.
yes I did
Okay,
I did
okay.
told them that I studied at
Oh, and
AI
tell
language.
them right now we have 40% scholarship for all of them.
Oh really
Yes.
yeah
Okay.
this is a great chance everyone if
Okay,
you want
wait,
to
let's say you would like to encourage them in Khmer, okay? You focus at your camera, tell it in Khmer.
Okay.
It's like you are the influencer of AI right now. So how will you say it?
Okay, so I will
Okay.
go
Yes,
in Khmer
yes.
language, right?
Yes,
okay,
yes,
so
okay.
ណយណាគ្នាចង់ថាចេះឥឡូវហ្នឹងបើអ្នកគ្នាចង់រៀនថៃត្រូវអត់ដោយសារតែអ្នកគ្នាសួរខ្ញុំរហូតថាចេះខ្ញុំរៀនថៃណារបៀបអូខ្ញុំនិយាយថៃប្រូអីចឹងអ្នកគ្នាឥឡូវនៅឱកាសល្អហើយខាង AI អ្នកគ្នាគេរបៀប scholarship សម្រាប់អ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នា 40% សម្រាប់អ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាចង់រៀនភាសាថៃនៅ AI អញ្ចឹងឱកាសល្អអ្នកគ្នាមកចូលរៀនទាំងអស់គ្នាមក
Wow. I love the ending. I love this ending. Okay.
Yes.
Wonderful. You're really good. I think you are born this way, really.
Oh, yeah.
You are born to be in the social media. You are born to be seen. You are born to influence and share happiness to a lot of people. So don't change that. Okay?
Oh yes I'm not
Okay,
I'm
thank
not
you
gonna
so
do that
much for
Yes.
being here with
Thank
us.
you.
Really appreciate your time. And thank you for making fun memories with our talk show right now. We'll hope to see you soon, maybe one day, and then when we guest you on another day, hopefully your TikTok followers is 1 million, and hopefully, who knows, when Blackpink visit Cambodia one time, maybe you can be a backup dancer or you can share the stage with them, right? That's gonna be a wonderful dream. Manifest it, think about it, it will happen, okay?
Yes,
So
it'll be
thanks,
great.
Panha, for joining us for this talk. This is once again Jake for AI Season 2 of AI Talks. Bye-bye.
Bye.